Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. So we are back with one more dashcam video, and this time we bring you a budget dashcam, and it's the Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and we'll show you how it performs. So here is the box of the Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro. In the front we have the Qubo branding, and Qubo is part of the Hero Group venture. In the middle we have the dashcam photo along with the model name. And this dashcam, as you can see, is made in India, which is very good. At this side of the box we have the info about the app. The app offers easy navigation, better event access, and it's user friendly. And here we have some benefits of the dashcam. You can use a dashcam video as evidence against car accidents, incorrect challans, insurance claims, and for casual journey vlogging. Here we have the key features, and in this dashcam we get the best in class features. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we have the dashcam itself, and looking at the dashcam, my first impression is that the build quality and design of this dashcam looks very good. We will look at the dashcam in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the car charger, and here we have two full-size USB ports in it. The output of this car charger is 5V 2.4 ampere. Then in the box we have the barcode, which you can scan to download the user manual. And with this dashcam, you get 12 months warranty. Then in the box we have the adhesive tape, a prying tool, which will be useful while installing the dashcam. And then here we have the USB connection cable. It's a mini USB cable, and the length of this cable is 3.5 meters, which will be sufficient for installation of this dashcam. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the dashcam closely. Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro is a budget dashcam, but looking at the design and build quality, I find the design very good. And here we have a fixed mount, but you can adjust the position of the lens of this dashcam. In terms of the build quality, even though this dashcam comes under a budget car accessory, we get a good build quality, and the material used in this dashcam is of good quality. So design and look wise, this dashcam will look good in your car. Now in terms of the overview, in the front we have the Qubo branding along with the speaker, and then here we have the camera lens. This dashcam can shoot in full HD, and you have the WDR support, which is the wide dynamic range, and also you get a wide angle view, and the field of view of this dashcam is 130 degree. On the right side of the dashcam we have the power button, which also has an LED status indicator. On the left we have the power port along with the micro SD card slot. There is also a reset pinhole next to it. And guys, talking about the micro SD card, this dashcam supports micro SD card up to 256 GB. Now looking at the top, we have the adhesive tape for mounting the dashcam onto your windshield. So overall in terms of design and build quality, I find this dashcam pretty good. The build quality is for sure very good, and design wise, we get a compact design dashcam. Now let's set up the dashcam. So guys, you can do this setup process either in your car or at home before installing the dashcam. The companion app Qubo Pro is available for both Android and iOS platform. And here we have the app installed. For configuration, just connect the power cable and you will hear a voice prompt, and then the LED indicator will start flashing. Once you see that, just tap yes, and then you will see the dashcam in the available device list. And now set a password, and that's it. Your dashcam is now ready to use. And guys, we will show you the app features in a moment. First, let's go to the car and install the dashcam. Installation process is really simple, and you need to clean the windshield just behind the rear view mirror. This is an ideal position for installing a dashcam. Once done, remove the cover from the adhesive tape and then mount the camera. After that, connect the power cable and run the cable from the roof. Use the prying tool and hide the cable under the roof cover, and then run the cable through the A-pillar of your car. Now connect the car charger into the socket and then connect the USB cable, and you will hear the prompt from the camera that the recording is on.
Recording started.
Now before we show you the performance, let me quickly show you the app features. So guys, once you do the initial setup, you don't need to connect to the dashcam again, and the app will auto connect to the dashcam as soon as you open the app in the car, which is very good. So here we are on the home page. On the top we have the live preview, and here you can click a picture, turn on speaker, or enter into a full screen mode. Below it we have the timeline, and here you can see the trip as well as the event recordings. Apart from that, you have the neatly categorized events and trip videos at the bottom. And also guys, you can download any of these videos to your gallery and view them later on your phone. Looking at the settings of the dashcam, here we have the toggle button to turn on the audio recording. Then we have the record quality, and here you can set it to high or low quality. After that we have the jolt recording trigger, and here you can set the sensitivity. So guys, this dashcam records a 1-minute video in case there is any jolt or any kind of impact on your car, and then save this video in the micro SD card separately. Then in the settings we have the audio alert toggle, speaker volume, parking mode, and in this, it will create a time-lapse video when your vehicle is parked. But guys, this requires an additional accessory, and that is the hardwire kit. After that in the settings, we have the time zone, jolt recording limit, storage info, and then the factory reset option. So guys, that's all we have in the app, and feature-wise, it looks good, and the UI of this app is simple and very user-friendly. Now, let's talk about the main thing, and that is the performance. We have tested this dashcam in different lighting conditions, and here is the output at daytime. You get full HD video output from this camera, and performance-wise, the coverage is very good, and you get a good wide-angle view. You have the Qubo branding at the bottom, and on the top, we have the date and time. About the performance more, the text is sharp and you can easily read the number plate of the vehicle in front of you at both low and high speed. The color output is natural. You might find the video output a bit noisy and over sharpened sometimes, but the visibility of the numbers and text is quite good. The built-in mic also performs well, and it records the in-cabin sound as well as the outdoor sounds. So guys, this is the audio from the Qubo Dashcam Pro. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. So this camera comes with the built-in mic which can record the in-cabin audio as well as the background noises. The exposure shift is also good, and here you can see the exposure adjustment while entering in the basement. And similarly, we have a decent performance at night time. And again, you can see the text and number plates quite easily. In terms of the other features, this dashcam offers loop recording, which means it will override the old videos except the emergency events. So you get the continuous video recording in this dashcam, and you don't need to delete the old videos. And in addition to that, it generates a time-lapse video for the events captured during your trips. You can create a time-lapse from the last 5 days, and once the time-lapse is created, you can save it in your gallery. So overall, the Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro offers a good design and build quality. The video output of this dashcam is good, keeping in mind that it's an entry-level budget dashcam. This is not any other luxurious accessory for your car, but the main purpose is your safety and your peace of mind. Hero Group is a trusted name, and as they're an Indian origin brand, so they know the needs and requirements of Indian users quite well. And keeping in mind the performance and the offerings of this dashcam, we think it's one of the best dashcam we have come across this year. And as usual, if you like this dashcam and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. And also check out the description for the coupon code by which you get some additional discount. So that's it guys, this was the review of the Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this dashcam, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.